What's up, sales guy?
BCS, how are you now?
How you know, man? Not so bad.
What kind of knives can I interest you in today? Because as you see, we sell knives.
I'm not letting you get to me today, man.
I'm not quite sure what you mean, but okay.
I think I'm looking for a small auto.
Well then, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the gun show. Safety's off.
No, I'm not looking for that kind of auto, weirdo.
Well, I think I have the perfect knife for you. A matter of fact, it's in my pocket right now.
Oh! That's what's up, dude. That's what's up. Ooh, my jam.
Snappy opening. S30V blade steel. Aluminum handle. Deep carry. And great balance.
Right on, man. So, what's the biggest benefit you would say to the balance? All right. Well, anyway, man. I think that's perfect. I think I'll take it then.
Well, here you go then. Thank you for shopping at the knife store, where we sell knives. Please come back again.
Awkward, bud. But thanks, sales guy. I think it was perfect. Hey, what's going on, BCS Army? Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Today I got another review for you guys. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel and you're looking for that best bang for your buck in the knife and gear world, hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, throw me a thumbs up, because I sure do like them. All right, so today I will be doing the Böker Mini Kalashnikov and S30V, which is a Blade Ops exclusive. I will put the link down below to it for the Blade Ops. There's several options as well. I'll just give to the one I'm reviewing, but there's several options and size-wise. But here's what we'll be reviewing today. All right, we got the little mini Kalashnikov. Pretty nice little booger. I've been carrying it for a while. It's got a nice satin finish, full flat grind, drop point or modified clip, or modified drop point or clip point, whatever you want to call it. To me, it looks more like a clip point. I think they call it a drop point. Full aluminum handles. Got jimping back here and some jimping up here, jimping on the blade, which is actually functional. I will throw the specs up on the screen real quick while I get some size comparisons out. You like my TV magic with I've been playing around with that. I can't even help it. I told you guys I'm full on goofball, so we're not going to take these reviews all super serious. Now, don't get me wrong. I won't miss out on the facts, because I want my viewers and everybody to get the right idea and be able to get the best bang for their buck. All right, so let's get some size comparisons. First, I will be doing the regular, not the large, the regular size CRKT Polar. Pretty much exact same size. The Ontario Rat 2. The Kershaw Shuffle. And if you put that in with it, about the same size. And of course, a big lighter. And actually, if you want to see a good comparison of this with this knife closed, it is literally the exact same size as a big lighter. So there's your size comparison. So large-handed fellas, be warned, this is probably not the knife for you. Very good knife for girls, because it will actually fit in their tiny little pockets that for some reason they put on their jeans that make no sense. They can fit chapstick, a lighter, and a Böker Kalashnikov Mini. All right, so this is the Blade Ops exclusive. They threw the S30V on it. The regular Kalashnikov comes with the AUS 8 for $20 cheaper. I believe it's $39.95 in the AUS 8, and this is $59.95, and you get a considerably better steel. So pretty good bang for your buck on this. If you want to kind of, the closest I could come to a comparison knife with this price wise and everything was probably the Kershaw Launch 4. Now the Kershaw Launch 4 is California legal because it has a 1.9-inch blade, and this one has just over a 2.5, so this is not California legal. But anyway, the Kershaw Launch, relatively same size, comes with the CPM 154 steel. This comes with a little bit better steel than the S30V. It is $79.95 for the Launch 4 and $59.95 for this. So if you're looking for something a little cheaper and the Launch 4 is something that interests you, but you want something a little cheaper for an automatic, this is definitely a good alternative for that. So thank you to Blade Ops for deciding to throw this upgrade in. Yeah, like I said, just over a 2.5-inch blade. The cutting edge is just under 2.25. Unfortunately, they left this ugly unsharpened heel. I just don't like those unsharpened heels. I mean, look how much more blade you could have got out of that right there. So not a fan of that. Got a little knock on my fit and finish. Blades overall very well done. It is sharp. Like I said, the jimping is good on it. Decent blade stock for a small knife. Full aluminum action. It is snappy. The button is also, let's see if we can get in there. Come on with me. There we go. So as you can see, that button plunge in, that is also your lock right there. So all in one action. You can adjust the pivot still. Hardware is nice and deep weld. Deep pocket clip, but watch this. So that is another fit and finish thing I kind of knocked a little bit. It doesn't affect carrying it. I haven't had any issues carrying it. Only comes in black. Let's see, what else? Workability, you know, that the score on that, I kind of, I'm going to go ahead and throw the score up for this because this did score fairly well. 3.11, so definitely a 2 thumbs up knife for me. But workability, I gave a 2.5 just because it's a smaller knife, but it depends on your hand size, honestly. So something like that can be subjective. 2.5 for me for workability. In hand, also 2.5. I think if I put a lanyard on it, it could give me a little bit better hold on it. If you ask my wife in hand, this is a 4. I mean, this just fits her hand perfect. Literally, her little tiny fingers match every one of those grooves there. So, like I said, this is a very good alternative for a female if you have smaller hands, or even a male if you have really small hands. This is a good knife. Very lightweight as well. I didn't even take the weight yet. Really lightweight. I believe it's just under 2 ounces. So first, for our friends over in the pond, 55 grams, and it'll give us 1.9 ounces. I believe it's like 1.94. I actually measured on my other scale. Super snappy action. I think it's a nice little backup knife. This is actually, I carried it once or twice just playing around, but with this clip, because of the width of it, I can actually clip that onto the top of my boot, and I can wear it as a boot knife. Now, in the state of Minnesota, which I live in, unfortunately, I can't carry this because they're illegal. But I do a lot of business and stuff down in Iowa, so I can carry them down there because Iowa doesn't carry what you carry. But all right, guys, yeah, I really, like I said, this is, I think this is a great deal. $59.95 for S30V. I'm actually going to send this knife into Kurt for steel testing. I just sent him about 8 knives. I got the results in the other day. Some surprises, no disappointments, but definitely excited to get the results on those, and I will be throwing this in to get checked as well. All right, guys, great knife here. Like I said, 2 thumbs up. That's all I really got. Justin from Blue Collar Survival. You guys stay safe.